whatever moving averages you have are starting to go with the price. The volume is high. And here, just at the beginning of the change in the trend, what's happened? From oversold, the green line crossing the red line, and starting to move up. So we don't just look at this and make a trading decision. We don't just look at this. We don't just look at this. Several factors together help us to make a decision whether to buy or sell. Will give us the edge. And that's all we can ask for, is to get as much in our favor as we can. And even then we make a decision, it might not work out. Now here's an uptrend, and this is the 200 that I was telling you about. The 200 EMA. You see how long it takes to go with the price? Here's the 80. Stays very close to the price all the time. But the 200 takes a long time to get back to the price. And you see here that the 200 forms a very strong, what we call support or resistance level. For long-term traders, the 200 is a very, very important EMA, moving average. You see it broke above this here and continued to go up. Then the bears pushed it down, but they could not break through. But once this has broken through, now this is support. And they tried to break through for what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 20 candles trying to break below that, but it's like it's a concrete floor. And if they can't break through, the buyers take control and it continues to move up. So the 200 is a very, very strong support level or resistance level for long-term trading. So the opposite happens on a downtrend. You have your candles coming down, your moving average is starting to turn down, your volume, and the green line crossing the red line from the overbought area, breaking below the 80, green line crossing the red line, and what is that? Sell position. And here's again the 200 EMA in a downtrend. So you see how the 200 EMA works as support? Up here, tried to break below, here tried to break below. Finally, when they did, once it breaks support, that's very significant, and it continues. Boom, like the balloon busted. Yeah, support was broken, and the price continues to drop. Now, sideways chart, sometimes it's unavoidable, but you want to try not to get in a sideways move, because the currencies don't go anywhere. They just bounce up and down a little bit, and you get stuck. You can't get out. You want to be in a trade that's either going up or a trade that's going down, not one that's just going sideways. You make no money, you can't get out of the trade. But sometimes it can't be avoided. So, any questions so far?
Maybe.
Yeah.